When I was 14 years old, I became a police explorer. Had training on search and seizure, on legal issues, and I did that till I was 21 years old when I got sworn in as a police officer. It's what drove me in that direction to become a criminal defense attorney. When we get a call for someone who's been arrested for an OVI, they're going through a lot of different emotions. Most of our clients have never been through this before, and there's a big fear of the unknown, whether or not they're going to be able to drive. How is this going to affect their employment? It's a serious criminal charge, and you really need to take the time and the effort to put together the best team that you can to defend it.
I was hanging out with some friends. I started driving and then pulled over on the side of the road because I was tired. Turned off the car, I went to sleep. I remember waking up to knock on the window. A police officer reaches over, grabs the keys from the ignition. He took me into custody, he took me down to the station. I immediately had all the whirlwind of emotions. I was scared, I was worried, I felt helpless. I talked to Joe. From the moment I walked into the office and sat down with him, I knew that I was going to be taken care of. I felt like he was going to do what was best for me. He was diligent, he was responsive, he was a professional through and through. Everything about that experience was the definition of what customer service should be. And walking into the courtroom, knowing that you hold the ace of spades in your hand, and that's Joe.
Several of the attorneys in the firm are getting the same training that the police get. We have former prosecutors, we have former police officers. Using that background experience for the defense of the client is really immeasurable. We want to take the concern about driving privileges, we want to take the concern about jail time off of your shoulders so that as we're preparing your case, as we're building your defense, you know that you've got the team on your side that you can rely on.
Your entire life is resulting on that outcome in that courtroom. If anyone was in this situation, I can't stress enough how adamant I would be in giving them the advice to take Joe.